So if you look in my direction and we don't see eye to eye, my heart needs protection, and so